O to become flexible. You need to get in tabby of doing stretching exercise every day. But patience centimes, you'll become more flexible. And you will be amazed how good you feel. There are some basic steps in the process. Key aspect of flexibility. Pay attention to why you eat and ensuring that you are getting adequate nutrition. Maintain a healthy diet. Eat more green leafy vegetables and increase your protein and calcium. Every morning, eat a good, healthy breakfast. Drink plenty of water. Since your body is mostly water, you have to be hydrated. The most important thing is to balance everything. If you don't, you will not be completely flexible. Keep your joints and muscles stretched and cared for. Start your workout with low impact stretch and work up to a full stretch workout. Latte, wind down your routine with low impact exercising. Make sure you have supervision when performing a stretch. If you have no idea why you are doing you'll undoubtedly injure yourself. Most martial arts and gymnastic classes have extensive programmes anti-shake available. Check them out. Remember to include both the positive and negative motion when you stretch. Keep it symmetrical. If you are stretching your left, stretch out your right toe. If you are bending forward, bend backward toe. If you don't feel a little strain in your muscle, you're not doing it in a way that will prove beneficial. A little strain normal. Think positive when you're becoming flexible. It take time but you will get there. Tell yourself motivating thing, sucha, ik no ik andoti. Remember you must always be patient. Take to be flexible and waiting calmly. Do stretch every day, for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and work it progressively. It's important if you want to become flexible. Remember, you can become flexible overnight. When you are doing stretch, wear comfortable gear, such tank top and short, leotard, and so forth. Do warm up as before beginning stretch. On way to warm up you'll to do a descent amount of jumping jack. Starting with difficult and advanced stretch is dangerous and ill advised for anyone. Begin from easy stretch, then move on to hard on. The following section provide a list of basic, good stretching exercises for your body. Be careful, take them slowly and become comfortable with them before pushing yourself. Shoulder stretch. Stretch your arm far across your chest while holding it as you can without feeling pain for 5 or 10 minutes every day. Back stretch. Always observe the greatest car when doing back stretch. Take it slowly and easily and if you don't feel that you cannot stretch, don't push it. Lie down on the floor. Sit straight, leaving your leg out in front of you. They don't have to be flat. Turn your upper body slowly, and make absolutely sure that you stop turning when it starts to hurt. It is relatively easy to damage your spinal cord if you stretch improperly, so pay attention. When you stop turning, hold ta position for 5 to 10 seconds. Turn to tes directions, en repère. Try to do a back bend, or a bridge. Be very careful not to go too far. Once you are in the bridge, push through your shoulder, and try to pull your leg to get and straighten them. Don't go onto your toe. When you are doing the back bend, make sure your shoulders are over your hands or in line. Try a gentle twist. Stand up with your arm hanging out to the side. Then very slowly twist from side to side. Try a snack, or cell stretch. Lay flat on your tummy and then use your arm to pull yourself in a snack or cell stretch. Leg stretch. Si done you did before for the back exercise, only time, make your leg flat on the ground as possible, right beside the toe. Stretch down over your knee. Do not bend your knee to face your knee, face forward. It will also stretch your neck muscle, if it hurts your neck to do the exercise, face your knee and stretch. You can also sit down with your leg straight out and take your right leg and swing it over your left leg half time. Do the same with your left leg. Tri dointe spli avait la possible, bu carfuli fort à bout 4 minutes perdait. If you are advanced en flat on te ground, tac a sofa pio en puon of your leg on it to give more of a stretch. Tri a pick stretch. To jet started, les flat on te ground d'antenne sip. Ria for yourt. Look a your knee en all for a bout 20 ou 30 secondes. Tri a butterfly stretch. Keep te bottom of te fait presse to gt, ten pul tem to vario. Do some linge. Kneldon, on a leg front, on a hat back, when your leg are à 90 degrés, push down. Ten straighten your front leg. Tri a straddle. Open your leg a with lie a possible we sitting. L'enlet en right, very gently, will in T position. Upetig stretch. Skeus bot side of your tig to gt. Hold for 5 minutes. Finger stretch. Hold on en out in a fist. Slowly open up the fist. Stretch your finger back a far attaquant. Hold for a minute. Repea with your rotéant. Tican et le puit carpal tunnel syndrome. Ankle stretch. Si with your leg stretch out in front of you into some money at leg stretch above. You can also see with on leg in front of you en tac tote ankle rest it on your knee and grab your foot and twist your ankle. Wrist stretch. Si on your knee and ten puis your out like you are reading a book. Flip your hands on the floor with finger facing you, like soft page. You can also, after you don't stretch above, flip your hand in on way, finger facing you to orient tout side, whatever. In body meditation. Practice in body meditation. Apart from working on physical flexibility, externally via stretch, crunch et sutra, on should also focus upon working on it from inside. Because in realement ou realement deeply interconnected to EOT. Plus on lit true awareness you have access to in body.